Antigravity, Insta360's new drone brand, has officially come out of stealth mode, teasing a new drone to be launched in August. It plans to completely compete directly with the DJI and other consumer drone brands, making a 360-degree camera drone that is for everyone but focused on creativity and fun. Antigravity was incubated by Insta360, known for its domination in the 360 camera space and other third parties. The brand will extend Insta360's 360 domination to the sky with a 360-degree capture, a sub 249 grams 8K drone, a first in the industry. Anti-gravity even stated drone will have features to prevent misuse, making it a truly consumer product without any fear of nefarious operations. Marketing materials point its focus on creatives and enthusiasts, but emphasizes drone will be for anyone. Details and specs of the drone has yet to be announced and will come with anti-gravity when they announce the drone in August. Today, most drones are tools. With anti-gravity, we are aiming higher. VC Ni, head of marketing at Anti-Gravity, said in a statement. While others compete on specs, we flip the script, reimagining what a drone should be able to do. The result is something that empowers real emotions and enables experiences like freedom, creativity, and discovery for everyone. Anti-gravity announcement comes at an interesting time for drones. The rise of enterprise use of has seen other companies shift heavier in that direction, while anti-Chinese sentiment in the Congress has been made importing drones difficult. We will wait and see if anti-gravity has a fix for this problem as well. The need for the proper DJI component is evident since Skydio shut down its consumer drone division. DJI has been a de facto monopoly in consumer drones, while most of the brands such as Potensic has not been able to make a dent in the market share.